Okay, so we all Google stuff at work, whether it's how to fix a formula, write an email, or make sense of a concept. But here's the thing, Google gives you options. Chat gives you answers. That's the real difference. So I want to show you how much time you can save by using Chat versus Google. I ran a simple test, same work queries, same goals, and compared the time each platform took to deliver useful results. And guess what? In 7 out of 10 cases, ChatGPT won, especially for writing tasks, data summaries, and decision-making, but Google still shines in areas where up-to-date or deep research is needed. So in this video, I'll break down real examples, time comparisons, and when to use which so you stop wasting minutes and start working smarter. Let's start with the obvious. When you're stuck on a Google search page, endlessly scrolling through irrelevant results, trying to find the one right answer. We've all been there. What if Chat could save you from that frustration? Let me show you. Here's a prompt. Summarize the key findings from the latest IPCC report on climate change. Now let's see how long it takes for Google to give us something useful. Okay, it found some PDFs, but now I have to download them and read them. Time taken so far, 3 minutes. Now let's see what Chat has in store for us. Here are the key findings from the latest IPCC report on climate change. It's alarming. We only have a few years left to turn this around. Okay, that was quick. And it seems accurate. Let's check the original source. That's the whole text. ChatGPT seems to have done a great job. Time taken, 20 seconds. Not only did Chat deliver faster, but its summary was concise and accurate. Plus, it provided a helpful call to action. Impressive. Now imagine you're planning a trip to Tokyo and need to know the average temperature in January. A quick Google search shows this. The average temperature in Tokyo in January is between 3 degrees Celsius and 10 degrees Celsius. It also took 3 minutes to find this information. Let's ask ChatGPT. What is the average temperature in Tokyo in January? Boom, done. And it's pretty much the same answer. Time taken, 20 seconds versus 3 minutes. Huge time saving. Next up, we have writing. If you're like me, you probably spend a lot of time writing emails, reports, and proposals. What if Chat could help you write better and faster? Let's test it out. Write a report on the benefits of exercise. Google provides various sources, but reading through them to extract key points takes time. Additionally, synthesizing the information into a coherent report requires effort. Time taken, 3 minutes. Now let's see what Chat does. Benefits of exercise. It starts with a catchy introduction, highlighting the significance of exercise. It then delves into the numerous physical and mental health benefits. The report is well structured and easy to read. Time taken, 1 minute. And once again, ChatGPT delivers faster and better results. So when should you use Google? When you need the most up-to-date information or very specific and detailed research. For example, if you were researching a new medical treatment or the latest technological advancements, Google would be your best bet in those cases. The more specialized your needs, the more likely Google will have the specific information you're looking for. However, for general knowledge or tasks that don't require the most up-to-date information, ChatGPT is likely to be faster and more efficient. You'll save time and get high-quality results. It's a win-win situation.